VisualParadigm's DBModeler AI helps you turn ideas into a production-ready database with the power of AI. It takes you from a plain English problem description all the way to a fully normalized database schema, complete with diagrams, SQL code, and documentation, all through a clear, guided 7-step workflow. Let's walk through how it works. After signing in to your VP Online workspace, click Create with AI at the top right, then choose Browse AI Apps. Scroll down until you find DBModeler AI, and click Start Now to launch it. This is the DBModeler AI interface. You can begin with one of the bundled examples. Just click Examples to browse them by category, or start fresh by entering a project name. Next, provide a detailed description of your project. You can type it manually or click AI Generate Description to let the AI draft one for you. Then refine the text to match your exact requirements. When the description is ready, click Generate Domain Model. DBModeler AI now creates the domain model. On the left, you'll see the plant UML code. On the right, you'll see the visualized class diagram. The diagram can be shown in full screen for better viewing. You can edit the model at any time by adjusting the plant UML code. Next, click Generate ERD to convert the domain model into an entity relationship diagram. Click Generate Schema to produce the initial database schema. The PostgreSQL DDL is displayed here, and you can copy it using the button at the top right. Once the initial schema is ready, click Normalize. DBModeler AI automatically normalizes the schema. You can switch between first normal form, second normal form, and third normal form to view and copy the corresponding DDL statements. AI can also generate additional SQL scripts based on the fully normalized schema, including sample data inserts, update scripts, and drop statements. Click Playground to test your schema interactively. Select a schema and click Launch Playground. Entities appear on the left, and sample data for the selected entity appears on the right. When inserting new records, foreign key fields let you pick related records from other entities. You can edit or delete records, and every action is logged in the SQL log window. If anything goes wrong, simply click Reset Playground to start fresh. Finally, you can ask AI to generate a complete report of your database model. The report is produced in markdown format. You can switch to the markdown editor to refine it and export it as a PDF. At the bottom, you can also download the SQL statements for the final schema if you didn't grab them earlier. You don't need to finish everything in one session. You can save your work to your VP Online workspace and return to it later. You can also export the entire project as a JSON file, perfect for keeping a local backup or integrating with external tools.